Hey guys, Chase here, Texas Auto Mart. Look what I got for you today. I got you a nice 22 model retail red Trailblazer RS with a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder engine. Guys, this is a baby doll. Beautiful, beautiful red. Those tires, those wheels. Look at this trim in here. Look at that red matching trim. You got your Apple CarPlay, your Android CarPlay, your OnStar, auto start stop. And guys, only 204 miles on this one. 204. And it is fun to drive. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Get up and go. Get you about 31, 32 miles per gallon all the time. More on the highway. Cold air. Full factory warranty. And it's priced $34,995, but we got it marked down at $34,495, guys. $34,495. Check us out. www.texasautomart.net. It's more of the interior. Look at that red stitching. Love it. It's the rear cargo space. Easy access to your spare tire. Rear seats fold down, give you lots of room. Come and get it.